Using a Venmo card without a bank account is possible, but it requires some setup and understanding of how Venmo works. To start, you need to have a Venmo account, which can be created using your email address or Facebook account. Once your account is set up, you can apply for a Venmo card, which is a debit card linked to your Venmo balance. The Venmo card allows you to make purchases in store or online, and it can also be used to withdraw cash from ATMs. However, to use the card, you need to have a balance in your Venmo account. You can add money to your Venmo account using a credit or debit card, or by receiving money from friends or family members who also use Venmo. One key concept to understand is that you do not need a traditional bank account to use a Venmo card. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money, and the Venmo card is an extension of this service. However, it is essential to note that the Venmo card is not a credit card, and you can only spend the money that is available in your Venmo account. To use a Venmo card without a bank account, you will need to rely on other methods to add money to your Venmo account, such as receiving money from friends or family members, or using a credit or debit card to add funds. You can also use direct deposit to add money to your Venmo account, but this requires a bank account or a payroll provider that supports direct deposit to Venmo. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep your Venmo account and card information secure, and to only use the card for legitimate purchases. You should also be aware of the fees associated with using the Venmo card, such as the fee for withdrawing cash from an ATM. In summary, using a Venmo card without a bank account is possible, but it requires some setup and understanding of how Venmo works. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Venmo card to make purchases and manage your finances, even without a traditional bank account.